Hi, my name's Christy, and I'm the marketing director here at Teela. What we're looking at right now is our blank dashboard. What I'd like to do is start to go over with you how to build your customized Teela dashboard from scratch. You will notice on our website in the resource section under guides, we do have more detailed mini guides about the dashboards, things like real-time alerts and how to edit your completed dashboard. This video is more of a full from start to finish how to build that dashboard. So let's take a look over here on the left-hand side of your profile. There's, of course, videos on how to create your queries, how to create data clips, how to maintain and make folders and shared folders. And again, you can find those on the resource section under guides. But we're going to assume that at this point you have already created your queries, made those data clips, and now have your folders of the queries you would like to add to your dashboard. So in my little folder here that I've called the dashboard for ease of use, I'm going to click on that, and you will see that I have all of these queries that I have saved that I know I want to add to my dashboard. You'll also notice on the left-hand side of these that they show you the format those are going to be in. This is going to be a pie chart, this is going to be a table, a line graph, and a bar graph. And again, there are tutorials showing you how to change the format of your data clips. So let's go over here and start. Now I have all of that information and I'm ready to really make a dynamic and customizable dashboard for my team. I'm going to add click component there. I'm going to look, and of course I can type in the name of the data clip, or I can just look on here and find my dashboard data clips. I found my top vendors. I'm going to click that. It's then going to ask me the size I would like it to be. You'll get a sense of this as you create your dashboard, and just remember you can change this at any time. I'm used to knowing what the sizes are here, so I am going to choose that I want it to be 2 blocks wide, and I am going to choose a height of 1 actually for that height. If you choose 2, it's going to be a pretty large piece of geography that it takes on your dashboard. I'm going to hit add component. And within seconds, you'll see that query has added itself to the dashboard. Now I want to add more. So again, we're just going to do that same thing. I'm going to go ahead and I do not have to leave my dashboard. I'm going to click edit mode. Once I do that, I can again hit the plus sign. I can go back into here. I can find another query, current inventory levels. I do know that this is a table, so maybe we make that table 3 wide so I can really get a good sense of that. And I'm going to keep the height at 1. I'm going to add that component. Amazing. And I'm going to keep on doing that until I get all of the dashboard queries that I would like. And I've added all of those components onto my dashboard. We're going to do one more here, which I think I have down here. And now I have several components added to my dashboard. And there are other videos where I show you how to move everything around. But for right now, we certainly can take a peek at doing that. There are certain features where if you click over here, I can drag and drop this anywhere I'd like to customize the look of that. Also, there are other videos where I show you how to set up alerts. But for now, to make sure that everything is where you want it to be, you've got it to the final. Yep, this looks how I want it to be for my team. Let me move this up here. Actually, I like the way that looks a little bit more. Brilliant. And so to finalize this, a very crucial step you're not going to want to miss is this cute little floppy disk icon up here. Click Save Layout. And now this is saved. Now that does not mean that you cannot change this at any point in time if you'd like to. You certainly can click edit mode again. You can drag and drop them anywhere that you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to exit out of edit mode by just clicking that. There are again other tutorials where we show you how to set alerts on your dashboard, how to change the color of the certain icons on your dashboard. But for all intents and purposes, this has shown you how to take your data clips that you have and add them into making a dynamic dashboard.